Okay, so today we will see how to make Masale Bhat Maharashtrian special rice in an instant pot. So let's begin with the saute mode. Saute mode, I have adjusted it to more, that's the plus sign, and I will wait till I see a panel saying hot here. So as you can see, it says hot in here. At this time we will add oil to it. Okay, so I am putting like 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and let it become little hot, and then I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Now if you see, the mustard seeds have started to splutter, and you can hear the splutter too. And after all the seeds have cracked, I am adding 8 to 9 curry leaf seeds. Now one by one we will add all the masalas to it. So I am adding the red chilies, then I am adding the cinnamon stick to it, the bay leaf, I'm adding the jeera, the cloves. Here I've taken like around 12 to 15 cloves, small star anise, the black cardamom, then few peppercorns, the whole peppercorns, and here there are like mixed masalas. The aroma is so good. All the masalas, I love this aroma. I add the cilantro directly to my tempering. Now adding a little hing to it, turmeric powder, I'm adding 4 to 5 teaspoons of goda masala. This is Maharashtrian goda masala. This is easily available in any Indian grocery store. I have made it at home. 2 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder. This also you can get it in any Indian store. Very little red chili powder, because we have already added the goda masala and the red chilies to this. Now I am adding the tindora. Here I have taken like 8 tindoras and I have cut it in slits, and 1 cup of green peas. This I had blanched a little bit because I took the frozen green peas. If you don't take the frozen green peas, you don't need to blanch it the way I did. Here I have taken 5 cups of Basmati rice soaked for an hour or so. Masale Bhat can be made in Ambe Mohar, in Basmati, in normal Sona Masuri. I just had Basmati, so I'm just making it in Basmati rice. I'm adding 2 pieces of jaggery to it. It is optional step, but yes, it does enhance the taste. I have taken fistful of golden raisins. Again, this is an optional step. You can add your choice of nuts to this. Little bit of cilantro and salt to taste. I'm just going to mix it. Just remember that I have not added any water. I'm just going to saute it in the masalas. The rice, I'm sauteing it in the masalas. I am adding 9 cups of very hot water to 5 cups of rice. This I had just made it hot in my kettle, in my normal kettle. So I'm putting on the lid and turn off the saute mode. Go to the manual mode or pressure cook mode on your instant pot. Go down to 7 minutes. I'm releasing the pressure. Now the pin is down. That means the pressure has gone down, and I will open the Instapot very carefully. Just be very careful. Now fluff the rice. I'm just taking off the red chili. Fluff the rice with the back of your spatula. So presentation is also obviously very important. So I am garnishing it with fresh coconut and some cilantro, because this is how it should be served, hot. And here we go. So here you go. The Maharashtrian Masale Bhat is ready to serve.